Welcome to the Transpiration simulation. Begin by selecting one of the plants on the left side of the screen to place the plant in the transpirometer. Choose the magnifying glass on the bottom right side of the screen to display a magnified view of the leaf surface. Select the Close button to return to the main screen. Select one of the treatments on the right side of the screen. The treatments are No Treatment, Adding Water Mist, Adding Wind, and Adding Heat. In this case, wind was added as a treatment. Select one of the three lengths of time, 10, 20, or 30 minutes. Here, 20 minutes was selected. Choose the 10x button to speed up the process and observe the transpiration rate displayed in the middle of the screen on the transpirometer. Select the Reset button to test a different treatment or conduct an investigation using a different plant.